7 recovery hacks for fat loss. Number 1, aim for 8 hours of quality sleep. Of course, this helps your body repair, regulate hormones, and inayos rin niya yung metabolism mo. Number 2 is stay hydrated. When you stay hydrated, you burn fat more efficiently and you reduce cravings. Number 3, active rest days. Ito, important na kahit rest day mo, gumagalo ka pa rin kahit papano. This includes light walking and doing chores around the house. Number 4, manage stress. I know madaling sabihin pero mahirap gawin, but yung stress can spike cortisol which can hinder fat loss. You can practice meditation or deep breathing. Number 5, refuel right after working out. Ito yung pagkain ng quality whole foods to hit your macros like good proteins and good carbs to support your recovery. Number 6, eating enough protein. Of course, consuming enough protein will support muscle repair. It also helps preserve muscle mass while losing fat. And lastly, limit alcohol. When you consume alcohol, your system prioritizes using the calories from the alcohol for energy. This means your carb stores and fat stores aren't utilized, so babagal yung fat loss mo.